Hey guys, today I'm gonna do a quick oil change on my 2015 Golf TSI. These are the tools I'm using it for my oil change. So adjustable wrench, flathead screwdriver, funnel, oil filter, fully synthetic 5W40 oil, then a plastic oil pan, and jack and stand which I already lifted the car. So let's crawl under the car and remove the drain plug using the flathead screwdriver. We'll take it out, remove the oil filter. We're gonna put it back. So we installed the oil filter and we tightened the oil filter housing. Then I put back the engine cover on and it's time to pour some fresh oil.